Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best taco party is probably one of the most vibrant, customizable, and universally loved themes for any celebration, transforming a simple gathering into a fiesta of flavors and fun, where guests can build their own culinary masterpieces and enjoy an atmosphere bursting with color and excitement, making it an unforgettable event for all ages. Number 5. Mexican Fiesta Hanging Swirl Decorations. Transform your party into an unforgettable Mexican fiesta. These vibrant hanging swirls are the perfect way to add a festive touch to any celebration. They'll make your event a huge hit and a memory worth cherishing. You'll receive a fantastic 20-pack set, complete with pre-strung foil swirls and charming cutouts. It features 5 distinct designs, including sombreros, cacti, and guitars, to perfectly capture the fiesta spirit. Crafted from high-quality cardstock, these decorations boast professional printing on both sides. This ensures they look great from any angle, adding a touch of premium flair to your event. Forget the hassle of DIY. These decorations come pre-assembled, ready to go right out of the package. You can hang them in seconds from ceilings, walls, windows, or doors, making setup a breeze. These versatile swirls are a great addition to any celebration. Whether it's a Cinco de Mayo bash, a Taco Tuesday, a birthday, or a baby shower, they'll enhance the festive atmosphere. What we like? These decorations come pre-assembled, saving you valuable party prep time. With a 20-pack set featuring multiple fun designs, they instantly add a festive touch to any space. If you're looking for quick, vibrant, and hassle-free ceiling decor to set the mood, you should consider this option. What people say. Number 4. Taco Bar Decoration Kit. Ready to host an unforgettable Mexican-themed party? This kit is designed to impress your guests and bring vibrant fiesta vibes to any gathering. It makes decorating your taco bar simple and stylish. Inside, you'll find a pre-strung banner, festive signs, and convenient food tent cards. Each piece features typical Mexican colors and styles, ensuring a cohesive and authentic look for your event. All decorations are crafted from high-quality cardstock with professional, clear printing. The signs are perfectly sized for frames, and the tent labels are ideal for showcasing your delicious toppings. Forget complicated assembly. The banner comes pre-assembled, so you can hang it instantly. The tent cards make labeling your dishes a breeze, and there are even blank ones for your custom needs. Whether it's Cinco de Mayo, a bridal shower, birthday, or a casual family gathering, this kit is your go-to. It adds a festive touch to any Mexican fiesta, making every celebration special. Your package includes 1 pre-strung banner, 2 bar signs, 16 preset food tent cards, and 4 blank tent cards. It provides all the essentials to create a stunning and organized taco bar. What we like? This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to set up an impressive taco bar. It includes a pre-strung banner and various signs, making setup a breeze. If you want to create a perfectly themed and organized food station for your guests, this kit is your go-to. What people say. Number 3. Blue Panda Fiesta Dinnerware Set. This dinnerware set is perfect for any festive gathering. It serves 24 guests with lively designs, adding vibrant flair to your taco-themed party. It features charming Mexican party supplies with sombreros and piñatas. Use these plates and cups to create a lively atmosphere your guests will remember. Enjoy effortless cleanup with this disposable set, letting you focus on the fun. These supplies ensure a stress-free celebration. Crafted from high-quality paper, it resists tears and folds while serving various courses. The durable plates and cups are designed to support all your needs. With ideal dimensions, each plate measures 9 inches and cups hold 9 ounces. Its colorful designs add a festive touch to any party, from birthdays to casual get-togethers. What we like? This dinnerware set is designed to serve up to 24 guests, making it ideal for larger gatherings. Its disposable nature ensures effortless cleanup, so you can enjoy the party without worrying about dishes. If you're hosting a big group and prioritize convenience and a stress-free post-party cleanup, this set is perfect. What people say. Number 2. Fiesta Mexican Birthday Party Decorations. Planning a vibrant Mexican-themed birthday party? This decoration set is designed to bring all the festive spirit to your celebration. It's perfect for creating an unforgettable atmosphere. This comprehensive package includes everything you need: a cake topper, multiple banners, and a variety of colorful balloons, including confetti ones. Best of all, it comes pre-assembled, saving you time and effort. Want your party to be a hit? These decorations are super cute and guaranteed to impress your guests. They instantly transform any space into a lively Mexican fiesta. Hanging these decorations is incredibly easy. You can place them anywhere, from ceilings and walls to doorways and even tree branches. Its versatility makes decorating a breeze. Each piece is thoughtfully sized for maximum impact. The banners have an ideal string length, and the cake topper fits perfectly on any birthday cake. Every item in this party kit is carefully selected and packaged to ensure a pleasant experience. You can trust that your decorations will arrive ready to make your celebration special. What we like? This all-in-one kit provides a coordinated look with banners, a cake topper, and balloons. It comes fully assembled, eliminating any need for DIY work. If you're seeking a super cute and complete decoration package for a birthday celebration that's ready to hang, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 1. Ticuenicoa Taco Tuesday Second Birthday Backdrop. Make your little one's second birthday unforgettable with this vibrant backdrop. It's perfect for a fun Taco Tuesday or Mexican fiesta theme, creating a festive atmosphere for your party. Measuring 5 by 3 feet, it provides ample space for all your photo opportunities. Crafted from professional, thin vinyl, it features computer-printed, high-resolution images with vibrant colors. This backdrop is incredibly lightweight, making it easy to fold, carry, and clean. Its durable material ensures it will last for many celebrations to come, offering long-lasting artistic effects. Beyond birthdays, it's suitable for various events like holidays, weddings, or even studio photography. You can use it for children, adults, or newborn shoots, making it highly versatile. Setting it up is simple, just use clamps, nails, or tape on your wall. Remember, only one backdrop is included, and no stand is needed for its display. If wrinkles appear from folding, simply iron the back side at a low temperature. Place a dry cloth between the iron and the backdrop to protect it from possible steam damage. What we like? This 5 by 3 foot backdrop features a vibrant, computer-printed design perfect for capturing memories. Its realistic pattern and artistic effect create an ideal setting for photos. If you're planning a Taco Tuesday themed party and want a dedicated, eye-catching photo booth prop, this backdrop is a must-have. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.